Meltio was happy to share a partnership with us so that we can develop a combination of hybrid systems. We believe this would be a unique solution for the Indian market, and with the expertise of Meltio in additive manufacturing and the expertise and background of BFW on subtractive manufacturing, we can bring in unique value proposition to our customers.
I would like to say that for Meltio, we are very, very excited with this partnership with BFW. We are very, very happy to work with a very important company, Indian important company, the most important CNC manufacturer of the Indian market. I would like to say that for Meltio, Indian market is the strategy. In the next year, I would like to say that thank you very much for the BFW and Ravi in concrete, because they are trust in this technology, we are trust in them, okay? And together we can offer the very good solution for the Indian market.
BFW and Meltio Spain have today announced the strategic partnership in the field of DED Additive Manufacturing to bring this new technology there in Indian market and serve the Indian manufacturing ecosystem.
The defense agencies and the large corporates in oil and gas and heavy industries are extremely interested. So the time is there. Today there is very little DED or directed energy deposition in India. Now with the entry of Bharat Fritz Werner, which I am privileged and honored to lead into metal 3D printing, DED will also create exciting times and very high value addition to Made in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
So we will leverage the entire market portfolio and the domain in terms of additive, where we not only work on bringing in hybrid manufacturing systems on the machine tool along with the additive, but we will also extend it to the automation part, like the 6-axis robot with a rotary table and a servo gantry which can look at the volume of the kind of object which we would like to print.